Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Physio Guide by Divya. So today I am going to teach about impairment, disability and handicap. So watch this video till end so that you can clearly understand the topic and the difference between them. By WHO, World Health Organization, the definitions are given. So what is impairment? Any loss like example loss of finger, and next abnormality of psychological means related to mental and emotional status of person. Physiological means related to normal function of body, like loss of conduction of impulse in heart, like that. Now next one, or we can write anything of this loss of any loss or abnormality of psychological, physiological or any anatomical structure or function, like inability to move legs, anatomical structure related to body structure, like inability to move legs. So with every definition I have given you examples. Any loss means we can write loss of finger, and any abnormality of psychological, physiological means related to mental and mental status, and this is normal function of the body, so we can write this normal loss of conduction of impulse to heart or delayed speech, this one. And anatomical structure means inability to move legs, this one example. So problems at tissue or organ level, this is the impairment. Now next, disability. What is disability? Any restriction means they can't move, that organ they can't move. Lack of inability to perform an activity in the manner means lack of inability means what example? Lack of see here, inability to walk, this also we can give. Inability to speak clearly. So inability, lack of inability to perform an activity in a manner. These two examples. Within the range, next one, within the range considered normal for a human being from impairment condition. With impairment, the problem what the patient faces, see once again I am repeating, any restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity in the manner means inability to walk, inability to speak clearly. Next one, within the range considered normally for a human being from impairment condition, after a lower limb amputation, okay, difficulty in walking. This is at the level of an individual only, at the level of the individual only, at the person level only, we'll see. Next one, in the society, based on the society what problem faces, what the patient faces problem is handicap. So in this lack of inability, in this difficulty, in this condition, impairment condition, in this disadvantages. So a disadvantage for a given individual in his means disadvantage in is a social contest resulting from impairment. This is also from this impairment only, the what the patient faces in the problem in the society level, that condition is known as a handicap by WHO. So a disadvantage for a given individual in her social context resulting from impairment, like defective communication, he can't speak communication with others, difficulty in using public transport, like buses. Next one, disability that limits, prevents the fulfillment of a role that is normal for his or her. So he'll depend on age, sex, social, cultural factors for individual. So this is a difficult level. Impairment means only a loss of finger. Next one, this is only based on the individual level of the individual only. This based on the society level, at the translation of problem at the society level, what he faces the problem. So I hope you understood. In diagram also I am explaining. This is at the organ tissue level only, and this is the whole person, the person what he faces, inability to walk, like that, only based on individual level disability. This is the in the society level. So what is handicapped? Who are handicaps actually? So who are handicapped persons? Handicapped by WHO, there are six main handicapped persons. Like first one, locomotor handicapped. Locomotor handicapped means the person who can't move from one place to other, like in conditions like cerebral palsy patient, he can't move from one place to another, like that. And visual handicap means a person who can't see. Hearing and speech means he can't hear and can't speak properly. Next, cardiopulmonary handicapped, based on the heart and lung problems. And intellectual handicapped means a lack of communication, social, self care skills, lacking of these skills. And emotionally disturbed means a person who is emotionally disturbance in the emotionally disturbed, behavior disturbances, like that we can say. So these are the main. Some persons may have multiple disabilities. Persons who are handicapped means these are the main we can identify. So I hope you understood this video. Once if you want to take a screenshot, take it, and do follow, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.